Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious, easy biscuits using wheat flour. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need wheat flour, baking powder, a pinch of salt, cold butter, and milk. Make sure your butter is very cold and cut into small pieces. This is key for flaky biscuits. Also, preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit right away. This simple method will have warm biscuits on your table in no time. Now let's get mixing. In a large bowl, whisk together your wheat flour, baking powder, and a small amount of salt. Next, add your cold, cubed butter. Use a pastry blender or your fingertips to cut the butter into the flour mixture until it looks like coarse crumbs. Then, slowly pour in the milk, stirring just until the dough barely comes together. Remember, don't overmix. Time to shape those biscuits. Lightly flour your countertop and turn out the dough. Gently pat it down to about 1/2 inch thick. Avoid rolling it too much. Now, use a biscuit cutter or even a drinking glass to cut out your biscuit shapes. For the best texture, try not to twist the cutter. Gather any scraps, gently press them together and cut a few more. Easy peasy. Almost done. Carefully place your cut biscuits onto an ungreased baking sheet. You can place them close together for softer sides or slightly apart for crispier edges. Pop them into your preheated oven and bake for 12 to 15 minutes or until they're beautifully golden brown on top. Once baked, serve your warm, fluffy biscuits right away. They're perfect with butter, jam, or your favorite gravy.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.